Department of Astronomy. And I represent a star formation theory group, which is one of the largest theory groups in Latin America. And we work on various disciplines in star formation. Could you go to the next slide? Oh yeah, thanks. So for instance, we work on the first star formation, how the very first stars came into existence. Well, we often rely on observations and telescopes, but when it comes to the very first stars, well, we cannot see back in time because these first stars formed when the universe was just 200 million years old. Despite the technological advancement that has taken place in telescopes, we cannot observe these stars. So we heavily rely on computer simulations. And that's why the NLHPC comes here and provides us the option to simulate these phenomena, these star formation, and see how these star formation actually took place when the universe was quite young. Then we also study the star formation in the presence of a very intense radiation background. Again, this is the realm of a very young universe. Again, we cannot see these stars forming just through the telescope. So we again rely on computer simulations. Then we also discuss or study the dynamos, the magnetic field effects in the star formation. Magnetic field also plays a very vital role when it comes to the star formation and how it evolves in general. So we run magneto-hydrodynamic simulations, MHD simulations. And again, the other attributes of a star formation as well. For instance, when the young star is there, it often gives the outbursts of energies. So we also study all the energy aspects involved in these outbursts. So from the first generation of the stars and the stars in the presence of high radiation field, the dynamos, and the outbursts of young stars, people are studying. They belong to our theory group. For instance, the Dominic Schleier is our principal investigator. Then I study the star formation, the very first star formation. Vanessa Diaz, she performs simulations to study the higher radiation background star formation. And then we have Carolina, she's a master's student, and she performs the magneto-hydrodynamic simulations. And then Siegfried is a postdoc. He deals with the young stars and the outburst coming from these young stars. For all these projects, we need the high performance computing resource. And for that, NLHPC comes to play its role. And we take full advantage of this resource. Could you go to the next slide, please? So when I say that we take full advantage of this NLHPC resource, we actually publish quite a lot. And in the last couple of years, we performed simulations, we got results, we published these results, and we got so far 7 publications in these last 2 years, and there are many in the pipeline as well. So in general, we really appreciate the subsidized form of computing resource that NLHPC is providing us, which actually provides us the option to pursue our projects. And in general, it also helps to promote the science culture in Chile.